So, good morning once again. This is example number 3 of operating costing. So, in the last lecture, we have discussed 2 examples based on transportation costing. And again, we go for the one more example of transportation costing. Example number 3. And here is the amount. We read the example first, and then after we go for the solution of it. From the following information, calculate the bus fare to be charged for each passenger for the journey. So here bus fare means what? Bus fare means, in Gujarati we can say a bhadu, rent. Rent is not the appropriate word because this is the transportation fare. Okay, musafari bhadu jene apne kahiye chhe, and the proper word is fare, F-A-R-E, fare. So 3 routes are given to us: Delhi to Agra, Delhi to Bhiwani, and Delhi to Chandigarh. Effective passenger kilometers are given 3,72,000. So all the informations are given. We need not to calculate. Effective passenger kilometer is given. Total operating cost excluding conductor's commission at the rate 15% and passenger tax at the rate 5% of the total takings is rupees 1,48,000. Desired profit is 30% of the total takings. Right? But here total taking is not given. Total taking is not given. And what we are required to calculate? We are required to calculate the fare of each journey. Suppose you go Delhi to Agra, then what is the fare? What is the rent? What is the, in short we can say in Hindi, we can say a kiraya. तो दिल्ली से आगरा तक जाने का किराया कितना होगा और आगरा से दिल्ली आना हो तो कितना किराया होगा? 200 किलोमीटर का अंतर है. Delhi to Bhiwani, Delhi to Chandigarh. Okay, what is the fare to be charged by the transportation company? That is required to be calculated here. Okay, so first of all, we need not to calculate the total cost, and list of expenses are not given here. All the expenses are already calculated. Kilometers are also calculated. Passenger kilometer is your cost unit, and that is also given here. This is effective passenger kilometer, and passenger kilometer is your cost unit, right? And total cost excluding matlab na siwai, this is given. Okay, and you are required to calculate cost and fare per passenger kilometer. And total takings means what? Total taking means total fare. Okay, so first of all, here fare per passenger kilometer is equal to what? That is total cost plus profit divided by effective passenger kilometer. We are having total cost, but total cost, that means operating cost plus conductor's commission plus passenger tax. Okay, that is our total cost. And then after you add the profit, then it is called total takings. Then it becomes total takings. So the next step is assume total fare, a total takings. We can say a total taking also. We can say a total takings. Total takings is equal to X. If total taking is equal to X, then X is equal to 1,48,000, the excluding cost, plus 15% commission, plus 5% passenger tax, and then after 30% is the profit. 30% is the profit. Okay, then after we solve this mathematical formula, clear? This is 1,48,000 plus 0.15x plus 0.05x and plus 0.30x. Finally, your position is like this: x is equal to 1,48,000 plus 0.5x. Or if you transfer this 0.5x opposite side, then x minus 0.5x. Okay, so your position is like this. 0.5x is equal to 1,48,000, and finally x is equal to 1,48,000 divided by 0.5, that means 2,96,000. This 2,96,000 is total takings. Total takings means total fare, and total fare is 2,96,000. So per passenger kilometer fare is 0.795. That means approximately 0.8. Okay. Now on the basis of this, we calculate the fare of 3 journey. Okay. So if you go for Delhi to Agra, right, then your cost is your fare is, that means your rent is, that is it's not a one-way journey, we can say. It's a one-way journey, definitely. Okay, so fare for Delhi to Agra is 200 kilometers into 0.8. That means 160. In the same way, fare for Bhiwani is 96, and fare for Chandigarh is 200. Okay. Now there is an alternative method. If you not go for this assumption of x, x na assumption ma na jao. Okay, so you can assume the 100. You can assume the 100, or if you assume 100 total takings, then your conductor's commission is 15 rupees, your passenger tax is 5 rupees. Okay, and 5 rupees, and your profit is 30 rupees. So total taking is total takings minus conductor's commission minus passenger tax minus profit is equal to total cost, right? So total cost is 50. If total cost is 50, then total taking is 100. If it is 148, then how much? That is 296. So if 296 is your total takings, so once again, this steps to be taken. Fare per passenger kilometer is 0.8, and then after, these are the fare for one-way journey. આટલું તમારું one-way journey નો fare થશે. Okay, so this is all for now. આટલું પૂરું કરીએ છે. Clear? Next lecture ની અંદર આપણે ચોથો example જોઈશું.